السلام عليكم جميعا، كيف حالكم اليوم؟ أتمنى أن تكونوا بخير. Hello everyone, how are you today? I hope you're doing well. Welcome again to our YouTube channel Speak Arabic Fluently in a fun and easy way. The last episode was only a vocabulary review. In this episode, you are going to learn something new. We are going to learn some verbs and how to form sentences using them. هل أنتم جاهزون؟ لنبدأ. Are you ready? Let's start. We are going to take in this lesson 4 verbs. أحب, زرت, ذهبت, and قضيت. Let's start with the first one. أحب. Again, أحب, which means I like. Now let's take examples. أحب أن أذهب إلى دبي. أحب أن أذهب إلى دبي, which means I like to go to Dubai. Let's take another one. أحب أن أذهب إلى الحديقة. أحب أن أذهب إلى الحديقة, which means I like to go to the park. The second verb is زرت. زرت means I visited. زرت. Let's take examples. زرت مدرستي القديمة. زرت مدرستي القديمة, which means I visited my old school. Another one. زرت حوض الأسماك. زرت حوض الأسماك, which means I visited the aquarium. The next verb is ذهبت. ذهبت, which means I went. Let's take examples. ذهبت مع عائلتي. Again, ذهبت مع عائلتي, which means I went with my family. Let's take another one. ذهبت إلى منزل صديقتي. ذهبت إلى منزل صديقتي, which means I went to my friend's house. Now let's take the last verb, which is قضيت. قضيت, which translates to I spent. Let's take examples. قضيت وقتا ممتعا. قضيت وقتا ممتعا, which means I spent a joyful time. Another one. قضيت يوما جميلا. قضيت يوما جميلا, which translates to I spent a nice day. It's time for the quiz. You will have to translate these sentences from English to Arabic. Let's start with the first one. I went with my family. I went with my family. It translates to ذهبت مع عائلتي. Excellent. The second one. I like to go to Dubai. I like to go to Dubai. Translates to أحب أن أذهب إلى دبي. Great job. The last one. I spent a nice day. I spent a nice day. Translates to قضيت وقتا جميلا. Amazing. Great work. We reached the end of our episode today. In the next episode, we are going to learn about prepositions in Arabic. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. If you have any question, drop it in the comments down below. Thank you for watching and see you again. إلى اللقاء. Bye.